Hello guys, I'm back here with another video and I'm gonna show you my skincare routine. So my first step is this toner. This is from Minimalist. Take a little amount of toner and dab it all over your face. So second step is this serum. This is also from Minimalist. And my third step is this snail mucin. Take a little amount of snail mucin and dab it all over your face. Now we're gonna use moisturizer. This is from Dot and Key. Now the sunscreen. Now the lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm from Vaseline. This will also heal your lips. So guys, this was my skincare routine and this is for dry skin. Stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such updates. Bye bye.